How's it going, guys? This is Riad here again with another Game Maker tutorial for the multiplayer platformer. As I told you before, in this video we're going to make the player able to jump and shoot, and we're gonna spawn some enemies. Okay, so wait, yeah. So let's make an object here called obj monster, and I have here a sprite for a monster or something. I don't know what's that, but whatever. So I'm going to choose a mask for him and make sure it's yep, so its origin is in the very bottom here. Okay, well, for now let's go to the client and let's copy and paste this to make it jump. So this is up. Oops. Whoa. Okay. Now let's go back to the server or the client. No, wait, it's the object. Okay. Now let's see. If landed, that means if we are on the ground. F keys up, then we're going to jump. PS speed minus 0. Let's say 8, I guess. If well, let's actually remove this from here. Let's say if not landed. Okay, so if the player is not on the ground and he's jumping, then we're going to play this sprite, else we're going to make it fall. Okay, and yeah, so we need to make landed equals false. And yep, so now let's make it shoot. So it's good, and do the same thing here. So let's replace this by space or whatever you want to use. Let's say space. First, make sure that this variable exists. So it's 4. Let's go back to the player and place it here, or okay, and in the step event, let's see. I'm going to add one more variable called is shooting plus false. But now let's see, if can shoot. Now if keys space. So if the player press the space key, then we're going to make a bullet. So var BL equals instance create xy obj bullet. We don't have this object yet, so yeah. Right there. Can shoot equals true or false. Alarm 0 equal room speed divided by, I don't know, let's say reloading time. Or times reloading time. So we have this variable reloading time called, let's say, once per second, and can shoot equals true, and in the alarm 0, can shoot equals false, okay, or true. Okay, and where is it? Yeah, so here is shooting equals true. Wait. So here, just to make sure. So if we are on the ground, that we're going to change the sprite. So sprite index equals SPR player shoot. Okay. So build.speed equals 10. But direction. So this is just to make sure the bot is facing the same direction as the player. And now let's say, oops, okay. So if image scale is less than 1, and d equals 180, and both direction equals d. Okay. What else? Yeah, so let's make this object obj bullet, choose a sprite, and set a step event, image speed equals 0.2. And the most important thing here is to make an ID for the bullet. So build.id equals TMID for now, or so it's a survive mode, but so let's just set it as ID. Okay, and what else should we do here? Yeah, where is it? Yeah, and so if not shooting or not is shooting, then do that. Oops. Else sprite index equals SPR player air shoot, I guess. Yep. So this is to make the player when he fall and shoot at the same time, then we're going to make sure that this is the current sprite of player, and F here and not is shooting. Wait, yep, so now is shooting equals true. Alarm 1 equals room speed. Times reloaded time divided by 2. Okay, and the alarm 1 is shooting equals false. Okay. Now let me just run the game and see if things are working fine or not. Okay, so let's create a server. I'm going to press the space key. Yeah. So as you can see, the player now can create a bullet. You just need to change the position of where is it? So let's say y -8, and I think the bullet speed should be a little bit slower, like 5 or something. Yeah, but as you know, this bullet we need to make the client draw this bullet, so let's make it invisible by adding a comment to the draw event. Do not draw bullet. Okay, now we're going to send the data of this object. Okay, so now we need to change this to objects to draw to instance number obj player plus instance number obj bullet plus instance number obj monster. Okay, so let's copy that and replace it by obj bullet. Let's change the tag first. Bullet. So the bullet doesn't need an HP, of course, and a name, but it have an ID. No, for team ID, I don't think we need that. So okay. So now let's go back to the client. And in the draw event, okay, where is it? Oh, so if tag equals bullet, and draw sprite. Let's copy that. Yep. And make sure to destroy the bullet when it's outside the room. And let's do the same thing while it collide with a wall. Okay. And since we are here, let's go back to the player and make sure that it can move if there is enough space. So it's here if place free x plus player speed y. Oops. Okay. This should be, and same thing for, oh wait, so this is the left. Okay, now everything should be fine, so let's go and test it again. Oops, what was that? Player speed. Oh yeah, okay, so as you can see, the player can jump now and shoot. Let's see if we can shoot in the air. Yeah, so as you can see, the animation here for the air shoot. Okay, Now what we are going to do, I actually prefer to add one more variable here, which is global friendly damage equals false for now, or true. Actually friendly damage, yeah, so let's copy that. Or no, so let's go back here to the player and add a collision event with the bullet. And so if not friendly global friendly damage, oh wait, so actually if global friendly damage, then so var id equals other dot id, and if my id, or if id not equals the bullet id, then hp minus equals 10, or I think 10 is too much, let's say 5. And actually let's add another variable called is alive equals true, and in the step event, if HP is less or equals 0, oops, what opened Unity, whoa, then well, is alive is false. Wait, so here, if is alive, if not alive, I mean, and exit, or you know what, if not is alive. Wait, so let's make sure that everything here is happening while we are alive. Okay, else sprite index equals spr player die or dead. Okay, and yeah, so that's it for now. Oops. Oh, why did I actually run the game? So yep, so now we cannot collide with the wall. Yep. So now let's actually go to the server and let's actually add another code. So for now we're going to spawn monsters. So if instance number obj monster is less than 0 or less or equals 0, 8, then alarm 0 equals room speed, oh wait, repeat, oh wait, yeah, alarm 0 equals room speed times 3, and in the alarm 0, let's say repeat. So we're going to spawn more enemies depending on the waves. So instance create, let's say random room width, 64 as the height, and obj is monster. Okay, so this is just for basic testing. Now we need to actually make sure to send this to the client. Let's replace this by obj monster. So tag 2, and yep, we need to go back to the client and do the draw event. If tag equals monster, oops, okay, and by the way, we should send the friendly damage here. So in the server, or yep, so here we're going to send one more thing, which is global friendly damage. Okay. So in the networking, let's see. Yeah, it's here. Now, just to make sure, I'm going to drop a text here. Okay. Now, let's actually make it true, just to see if things are working fine. I'm going to run the server. Come on. Yep, so as you can see, friendly damage value is 1, which basically means true. Okay. For some reasons we do not see a monster here. Oh, that's actually because the waves are 0, so let's go back to the server, set it as 1, and here, in the step event, where we spawn enemies, make sure to add, to increase the waves here. Okay. Since we are here, let's add more variables to the enemies here. So HP equals 100, and where is it? This image is scale. Yeah, so we're going to send the HP to the monsters too, but we're not going to draw a health bar for them for now. And let's see if things are going to work fine. Well, not really. If instance number of is less than or equals 0, 0. What's wrong? So waves are 1. Yeah. Wait, are we even... Yes, we need to send this to the client waves. Okay, so the let's go with client. Yeah, we have this value waves. So let's draw the text over that. This is server mode, the friendly damage. Here. Okay. I still wonder why this is not working. Oh wait, yeah. So I actually need another variable called can spawn. That's true. Oh. So can spawn equals false. And once we create the first monster, then we can spawn again. Okay. Now everything should work fine for now, I guess. Oops, what's that? Send survive mode data. Oh, yep. So the monster doesn't have an ID, but 0. Okay. Hopefully we will see a monster. Yep. So since everything is working fine, let's so image speed equals 0.2, and we don't need to draw down. Okay. Yep, so that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and in the next video we're going to make the enemies chase you and try to kill you. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.